Hello from Bugeyeguys. Today, Morgan Man, because this is a 1968 Morgan 4.4 that we have for sale, and I want to give you a walk-around tour. I happen to be in love with this car because it's just kind of the perfect raw British sports car, and it has the patina to go with it. So if you like that sort of thing, I want to give you a tour of it in this video, and you can see if you like it. So this is an older repaint probably that's peeling in all the right places. Again, if you like patina, but if it's a car that maybe some people would want to repaint. But if you're interested in the car, you just need to know it has definitely some paint flaws, and there's crazing all around the car. That said, there's something very liberating about a car that looks this way, because I think that it communicates what it is so beautifully, and it's a raw car that has raw paint, and it kind of feels to me like it actually enhances the car. But hey, I just want to put that out there. For me, this is kind of very freeing to have some chipping, and I don't have to worry about it all the time. But you know, to each their own. It is really nice to drive, really fun to drive. There's side pipes on the other side. So it kind of has a bit of a macho quality about it. But I feel like this is kind of like the British rockers car, you know, sort of it's just the perfect British machine. But take a look and see what you think. So on this side, you have this fantastic bonnet strap. Reminds me of the girth of a horse, that old and primitive. So holding the saddle on or holding the bonnet closed. And then these locks to release the bonnet. This one is a little stubborn. There we go. So this 1600 Kent engine is really nicely set up with this beautiful header, and it's kind of has that Formula Ford quality about it. So a nice power plant, and it's quick. There's a single carburetor there. You'll see it from the other side, which will open up for you. Real basic horn, real basic one-speed wiper, same as the ones that we use in the Bugeyeguys. And a new slave cylinder and a new clutch master, maybe a new brake master as well. A 6-blade fan to move a little bit more air. So the car has been well maintained, and a lot's been done to it to make it user-friendly. And we'll shut that off, and I'll show you the other side here real quick. Here's the twin tip pipe that was installed. And on this side, you can see the rest of the engine. There are new master cylinders in this setup. There is one for the brakes and the clutch, but super easy to work on and simple. You have the starter solenoid here and your basic 2-fuse box here, positive ground regulator, and he has also a spin-on oil filter down in there. So everything is pretty easy to maintain and beautifully exposed. Fuel filter is located here as well if you needed it, but and if you needed access to it, it's right under the hood. So a lot to love about this car. Let's go for a drive. Well, you already have a driving video on our site. If you have questions about this, you can look at the driving video that's already on our website. If you have questions, feel free to call us at Bugeyeguys.